This week on my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, we're drawing Fry, the main character from Futurama. While he looks fairly simple, Fry, like all of Matt Groening's characters, can be tricky, especially if you make the mistake of starting by focusing on details like his eyes or that huge upper lip, instead of the overall shape, posture, and proportions. Fight that urge. You want to make your life easier and your drawing better? Start by picking out some of the simple shapes you see in that reference image, which in Fry's case may not seem obvious at first. Here's what to do in that case. Use your artistic imagination. Pick simple shapes that help to recreate that body. In this step, you are literally just trying to make sense of his shape by lightly sketching those shapes you come up with to form your character. That's what a road map is. A circle and weird noodle shape for his face and neck. A triangle for that upper lip. Two overlapping ovals to make up the bad posture of his torso. Bent macaroni noodles for his limbs, and ovals for his hands and feet. Only after you have those simple shapes down do you begin to add those details on top of them, which allows you to finish the drawing easier and better than you ever thought possible. That's the level up cartooning process. Once again, we start simple and work towards those details, not the other way around. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Fry from Futurama and hundreds of other lessons.